All right, so we're getting into it now. Boy, you can see the water coming right up out of the ground here. It's a good thing we're putting in a good high octane system here. It's exactly what it needed. So we're gonna get this sump dug out, roughly 4x4 deep. Get it down where it was supposed to be. We're gonna upgrade this pump right here. We're gonna use a sewage pump on this. I'm gonna use a Zoller M267 on this one. And then we found a couple sprinkler lines that we needed to repair up as well. Glass pipe, thin and cheap. The only benefit to glass pipe is the fact that you get more water volume through the inside. But at that point, you can just upsize the pipe if you're that worried about it anyways. I never use glass pipe. It's always Schedule 40 or Schedule 80. All right, so now we're getting our trench prepped out here. You can see the amount of water coming out of the ground. It's a lot of it. We're gonna prep out for our bevel on the house right now. You can see Kellen tampering, getting that bevel just right. We'll cut it perfect. It's getting pretty deep on this end. This is what we need, a lot of good grade. We'll remove this water. So you can see our sump right here. It's roughly 4x4x4. And you can see the old French drain. Everything's gonna intersect right here into this collection pit. So what you can see, look, they even put the French drain that they did, they put the holes on the top. That tells you right there, man, that says it all. All right, we're looking pretty good now. We've got our quad in, high octane, fastest drainage pipe you can use. Clean outs at the beginning. Got our solid side by side with a clean out going in for that. We're gonna have clean outs at the end, so then you can see we got our woven high-grade weed barrier pulling the water away. And we're gonna pull everything together, get some stone in here, stitch it up. It's looking good. All right, we're looking pretty good here. One more in the books. Looks better having an edge on it anyways. Pump's all in and working good. Just got to get a couple caps on those clean outs there. All right, until the next one.